guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically blur or pixelate a segment of your video on CapCut PC. And I'm using a picture just to show you guys, but you can also do this for videos. So I'm just going to copy and paste the picture, or if you're using a video, copy and paste that. Go to mask and select either a rectangle or, actually we need to blur the video first, sorry. Go to effects and go to lens. If you want to just blur it, you're just going to add in the blur, but the pixelated one I think is in comic, which is the mosaic one, but I'm just going to use blur for now. And then I am going to just split it here. Select both the video and effect. Hopefully you guys can see. Right click and select create compound clip, and then select the rectangle mask to only blur a segment of the video or photo. For instance, you just want to blur out the number here, and also just rotate it to make it more even. You can also feather it out just a little bit like so. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!